Hi, I'm Kipling, and I'm a kid who loves good food. But I wonder, what does it take to make food really delicious? Come with me as I research the science behind fantabulous food and how to cook it. This is FOOD, Culinary Science for kids of all ages. Okay, today we are going to talk about taste. And we have our 5 tastes: umami, bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. Those are the 5 major tastes. But I wonder, how does taste work? Well, I happen to know. The taste receptors, when you chew up your food, the particles of food hit your taste receptors on your tongue, and they send the signals to a part of your brain called the thalamus. When you chew up your food, the particles of food hit your taste receptors on your tongue, and they send the signals to a part of your brain called the thalamus. So here are examples. We have sweet, but everybody knows what sweet is. But here are some examples anyway. We have apples, honey, ice cream, brownies. Salty, we have popcorn, sea salt, like crackers. So we have sour, lemons, apple cider vinegar, limes, sour candy. For bitter, we have unsugared cacao, and we have other things like dandelion seed. And for umami, we have soy sauce, peely diced tomatoes, well, just any tomatoes, and seaweed. So, but taste isn't only made by just one of these tastes. There are combinations, like, for example, salted caramel apples. You would need an apple, some sugar, and salt. For umami, you don't just want umami. You would want, like with your dinner, you have umami. Like, let's say you want spaghetti sauce with spaghetti. You would have tomatoes with something else. And for lemonade, you would have some lemons and some sugar. So our family has something we like to eat called Korean beef rice bowls. It has a mix of all the tastes, and that's what we're going to make today. So we have our ingredients. We have umami, which is soy sauce. We have sweet, which is our brown sugar. We have our sour, which is our white rice vinegar. And we have some other ones, like we have our garlic and our ginger. And we have more umami, which is 1/2 pound of 2 pounds of pasture-raised grass-fed beef. And I just need to finish chopping up these onions. Okay, so now I'm gonna brown my 2 pounds of pasture-raised fresh ground beef. So now I have the meat browned, and you're supposed to get an adult to drain the fat for you. Now we're gonna add in our 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Oh gosh, this is gonna taste so good. 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Just can't wait to eat this. And our garlic crushed. Now we're going to stir this around. Gosh. Just don't try to drain the oil and fat by yourself, because if you touch it, it will hurt a lot. And I like to add a little bit of crushed red pepper to make it spicy. While the meat is cooking for a little bit, then we're gonna make our sauce. So we have 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of white rice wine vinegar. So we're going to start by adding in the 1 cup of brown sugar. Use a spoon to get it out. Now we're going to add in our half a cup of soy sauce. And our 1 tablespoon of white rice wine vinegar. Now we're going to stir that all together. Gosh, this sauce is going to go really well with the meat. Just make all the brown sugar evaporate into the rest. Okay, so now our next step is to add the sauce that you just made. Just add it around. Now you're going to stir that. And now I have my secret ingredient called smoked salt. Now, and I'm going to add some ground pepper. And I'm going to stir it again. Okay, now you're going to sprinkle your green onions on it. And you're all ready to eat. And you need to dish up the Korean beef and the rice into some bowls. And you're good to eat. And I hope you learned something about taste. Time for dinner.
What?
Time for dinner.
What?